Oh, hurry up You're gonna be late.
Why? I'm still putting some stuff. Get it.
May see? Oh, yan. Oh, your blouse or your pantalo first.
Skirt?
Your skirt. Oh, stand up. Mommy will put it
Here,
on.
come on.
Oh, yun.
Stand up. Where's your pocket?
May pocket ba yan? Eh, di na nalagay agimat
Wait
niya.
lang.
Nice.
A peach?
Not yet.
No. Here, come here. No.
It's not a shirt.
Not a towel? It's not a towel, Daddy?
No.
Why?
It's too big for you? Hmm? Come on, let's remove your skirt again.
Why?
You have to tuck in your blouse. Yeah, like that. Right. Move my...
Goodness, it's such cool. Want to just button up?
Nice to button it.
Hurry up at mag-online ka pa
You can zip your skirt. Here.
Button your skirt.
Button up.
The other button. Wait, Nandi. No, wait.
Button.
No, wait. Don't move. Nandi.
Hurry up.
Ano?
Malaki yata.
Hindi
Yung skirt niya yata, hindi maluwang.
Oh my.
Why?
Hindi pantay.
Why?
Wait.
Kasi bababa yan eh. Oh, sa down.
Hindi pantay yung line ng
Sige na, okay lang yun.
Oh, may see, wait lang. Hindi ba masisikip yung skirt mo?
Yes.
Oh. Come on, hurry up. Pawis ka
Eh,
na.
ikaw nagpasukat niya.
Eh, binigyan na nga ng allowance. Eh, wait. Paano ba ito nire-ribbon?
Kahit anong ribbon lang yan. Yan. Messi. Wow! Shoes na lang. Halika na, mag-online na tayo.